So, hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to discuss what types of chemical reactions. See students, first is chemical combination reaction. Now, what happens in this reaction? Two or more elements or compounds react with each other and form what? A single new substance, and that reaction is known as what? Chemical combination reaction. See, we are having A and B both react with each other and forms what? AB, that is a single product. Or let us consider one example, that in the starting we are having hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Both reacts with each other and forms what? A single substance, water. Okay. And second reaction is what? Chemical decomposition reaction. Now what happens in this reaction? A single compound decomposes on heating or by supplying some other kind of energy, that can be electricity or sunlight, to form what? Two or more substances. Then the reaction is called what? Chemical decomposition reaction. Or in short, we can say that a single compound breaks into two or more new products. Okay. For example, consider that you are having a compound sodium bicarbonate, and when we heat this compound, we get what? Sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Okay. From a single compound we are having what? Three products. And next is what? Single displacement reaction. See, when a more reactive element, more reactive means the element that is more powerful, displaces means move a less reactive element from its compound, then the reaction is called what? Single displacement reaction. See, here we are having a reactant A and second is B, C. Now what happens? A is taking the place of B, as A is more powerful, means more reactive than B, and B is taking the place of A, as B is what? Less reactive than A, and as a product we are having what? AC plus B. Now consider one more example, that we are having what? Copper sulfate, that reacts with iron, and iron is more reactive than copper, so it takes the place of copper, or we can say that it displaces copper from its solution and forms what? Ferrous sulfate plus copper. Okay. Now the question arises that how you will come to know that whether copper is more reactive or iron is more reactive. For that, students, we are having what? Reactivity series. See, in reactivity series, some elements are arranged according to their reactivity. That means the most reactive element on the top, and when we move downward, that means we are moving towards what? Least reactive element. Okay. See, from potassium, sodium, we are moving towards what? Least reactive element, that is platinum. So reactivity series is what? The series in which all elements are arranged in the order of their reactivity. That means in a order of their powerfulness. That means how powerful, or we can say that how much reactive they are. Okay, and the next reaction that we have to discuss today is what? Double displacement reaction. And previously we have discussed single displacement. Now we are having what? Double displacement reaction. See what happens in this reaction when two compounds in a solution exchange positions to form what? New compounds. Then the reaction is called what? A double displacement reaction. See, here I am having what? AB, one reactant. Second reactant is what? CD. Now, what is going to happen? D is taking the place of B and B is taking the place of D. That means they are doing what? They are just exchanging their positions. So if this thing happens in a chemical reaction, then that reaction is known as what? Double displacement reaction. Now consider one example. We are having what? Sodium hydroxide and second reactant hydrochloric acid. And when both react with each other, they form what? Sodium chloride plus water. See what happens in this case. Cl is taking the place of OH and OH is taking the place of Cl. So it becomes what? NaCl and HOH. They form what? Water. Okay. So students, your homework is what? That you have to explain what? All the types of reactions that we have discussed today with examples. And you have to send your assignments or your worksheets positively to me. Okay. So have a nice day. Good.